Hi, I'd like to introduce you to the Protimeter Digital Mini. This is a simple, robust pin-type moisture meter. Simply you can turn it on here and you get a display on the digital display here and the colour arc display here showing you green, yellow and red for warning signs of excessive moisture. In the side of the instrument here we have our universal pin port. This allows you to plug in all the accessories that we provide, things like hammer electrodes, deep wall probes, baseboard probes, etc. They're all universal across all of our pin type moisture meters. The instrument itself comes with a carry pouch and belt loop, a plug-in pin extension for getting into awkward areas, as well as a calibration check device and 2 spare pins. That's the Protimeter Digital Mini.